Hi, I'm Adam Miller with Go to the Beach Christie's International Real Estate. Welcome to 58 Okeechobee Circle. This one is special, in the Forest Lakes community. It sits right alongside the community nature trail, and the back porch is a wraparound porch that looks out onto the lake and has incredible views. Inside, we have 3,000 plus square feet of living and numerous vantage points of the lake. You've got to come inside and check this out. The sunsets here are brilliant. Come on.